feel some.
Here, I just feel it.
I don't want to feel it because it's dirty. Yeah, that's kind of nice.
All right.
Good splashing. I want to splash too.
My boots are getting muddy.
You think? Daddy, you must be chilly.
I'm less chilly now that I put my shirt back on. Can you see my... Oh, you can't see it. Ellie's necklace.
Very
on.
nice,
It says
very
Ellie.
nice. Ellie, are your knees cold? Patrick, you're all soggy. This is really a good thing for our kid who just got well.
I don't think that actually is connected.
Listen, according to my grandma Pat, it is.
Okay.
Stompy stomp!
Stompy stomp.
Oh, Nina will be, well, maybe Nina won't be happy that you're wearing your A&M Letterman jacket in the rain.
I think she'll love it.
It fits him perfectly. It's a little Aggie. It's a little Aggie. Or two little Aggies. One big Aggie and two little Aggies. Ooh, that was a good run through. Good countdown. What's the recipe for mud? Rain and water.
Ellie, come here. Ellie.
Water and dirt.
Okay, so we're going to make a line and then we're going to run through that. You go first. Okay, come on, Patrick. Go, 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 go. Come on, Patrick. Come on. Okay, we're going to start here. Okay, come here, Patrick. Over here. Patrick, over here. You go behind me. Okay. When you're ready, say ready, set, go.
Woohoo!
Whoa, we're making the turn. Patrick cut me off.
Nice.
Yeah.
Somebody touched the mud with me.
You look like a grown man wearing like a puka shell necklace.
That's cool, right?
Oh, totally.